Hello, everyone. I don't usually post online or on TikTok too much because I don't. What's the best way of doing this? I don't truly understand to keep it consistent, but I keep seeing people who are on this or who are learning Claude Code, Codex, AI agents, all this stuff, and I guess this is one of those ways of me just understanding that I have to get myself out there because if not, then what I'm building is not going to mean anything when the time comes, basically, And I've been deciding either make this open source or not keep open source. I make it closed source. I'm a 50-50 on this right now, but I guess one of the things I can do is bring people along with my journey. So one of the things I have been making is the Lineage Code, which right now it's pretty much what I made is it's still a work in progress. I made the DNA of my AI agent. That's still a work in progress. Very detailed work, and it needs more detailed work and more researching. I made the Thymos, which is the immune system. I'm integrating Thymos with other like Kali Linux tools basically to make it a proactive response system for viruses and hacks and stuff like that. So that's still something I'm working on. I'm not there yet. I'm working right now with Codex because I reached my limit with Claude Code. I'm working with Codex to make what do you call it, like a shell, the upper shell that will be like the main system for the rest of it. I've made the white cells, the receptors, which are part of the immune system. I made the nervous system. I still have to improve it because the nervous system is integrated with N8N, the N8N nodes. So it's kind of like a 50-50. I still want to work on that. I improved this memory. This memory is now a lot more better than what OpenClaw does with memory.md, which is a bunch of things writing, which isn't bad. It still has several things inspired by OpenClaw, which is like its own memory, daily journal, stuff like that. But I made a mesh network. That was the starter, and now I'm reaching a cognitive network mix from inspiration with spiderwebs. So it's a cognitive webbing, and that's still something I still have to go in more and improve. Overall, I have made its skin, its virtual skin in a way, so it can sense things a little bit more, but that's still a work in progress. And one of the main things I've been working on is how it can resurrect itself when if I were to somehow take all the information to a flash drive, give it to a flash drive and somewhere else, and then by itself it will start booting up to where it was, because it will have a snapshot of that. So it has to go up to that point and then boom. But I haven't touched that for a while yet. But I'm working on it right now. Codex was asking something. So that has what I've been working on with. Oops, actually something again. I've been working on with the last month. Yeah, the last month. In a month, I made this. In a month, I made the brain, the nervous system, the immune system, some of the blood cells. I know I made the white cells. I made some of the skin interaction to make understanding it has somewhat of a skin. Oh, I should make the lungs next. See how that works. How that will work. And lately with Codex, I did a lot of research into neural networks and combining that with E equals MC squared, which is physics, of course. And I told it to make your own version of that, but for AI, to have a better connection of speaking and sorts. Don't know. It actually kind of made the system. I'll have to see. So if I open source this, then I can make this a lot better. I can improve this. I have more improvements from others. but I can give you the details of it. But for now, I'm kind of keeping it under wraps because I give you kind of like the broad spectrum, but not the details. So, but that's pretty much what I've been working on. I just wanted to share this journey with you all and understand that that's what I've been doing. That's what I'm here for. I tried to make SaaS projects. I've tried many things, and one of the things I've never done really good was sharing my story, and that's what I'm going to start doing. Hopefully better, and be more involved within this world of artificial intelligence, cognitive frameworks, and research and experimenting and space exploration. That's my job. That's what I want to do mainly. Make AI models to help people during natural disasters, and from there save lives in real time, not just wait after the fact that natural disasters gone. Help first responders work together with robotics to save lives on Earth, space, and beyond. So that's kind of where my journey is, and I don't know how far I'll get on this, but whatever route or path that takes, I'm game. And this is just me expressing my story. So yeah, any feedback, any support, or share this, whatever, or comment, I would love to hear from you, and I'll be sharing more soon. I'll probably share so much content now because I just don't care anymore. I'm at a point in my life I just don't. Not saying I don't care. It's just I don't care anymore about being quiet. I'm just gonna share what's in my head to the rest of the world while I'm working with AI, because I've gone this far because I just dumped every thought in my head. So why not do the same in life? Dump all of me in life and grow from there. So take care. My name is Pablo, and I'll see you in the next video. It could be 5 minutes from now, or it can be tomorrow, or an hour from now, depending on how much research I do. Take care, folks.